Hey guys, I missed the very last train and I'm walking to my home and it's about 1 something AM. I randomly found a vending machine of some dual cars. I don't know which are they, but I just found a vending machine of cars like 1,000 yen, 800 yen. Yeah. Oh, here are Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I don't think these are the ones that will come out, but they're just the examples of kinds they sell. The cheapest one is 500 yen. And they also sell some cards of football. Yeah. Right. I hope this was interesting. Yep. Vending machine of cars. Like Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Buy. オリジナルカード自販機。オリジナルカーズベンディングマシン。Buy.